Hello, I'm going to show you how to create an assignment in Teams. Once you're clicked on the team you want to create the assignment for, the class, click on Assignments at the top, and then you're going to click Create. From there, click Assignment. Come up with the title for your assignment. Then right here, you can add a category if you want. Some people are doing something like homework, and then press enter. Some are doing unit 1, unit 2, chapters, however you want to sort of categorize your assignments. Right here is where you're going to type in the instructions. So I'm going to say open the binary practice assignment, complete and turn in. Right now they have to actually have the assignment or the document to complete it. So I'm going to add that from my own resources on OneDrive. Okay, this is where the students can edit their own copy. So everyone's getting their own copy of this file. They're going to open it on their computers, complete it in Word, and then they're going to turn it in. You can add additional resources if you had more as well. For the points, I always do 5.0 since that's the scale that we use here. And then right here, if you wanted to, if I had all 5 of mine as computer programming, then I would select 5 of those. I only teach one section, but this way you don't have to make the assignment 5 different times if you're teaching 5 of the same class. Down here at the bottom is where you're going to complete, or you're going to put in when the assignment is due. I'm going to make it due on Friday. 11:59 p.m. is fine. Over here, you can change which students you want the assignment to. So this is great for differentiation if you want to put in specific students that the assignment's for. I'm going to leave it for everyone, but you could change that. The last thing is at the bottom down here. Assignment will post immediately with late turn-ins allowed. So if you want to shut it off to have a hard turn-in date, then you can uncheck this box, and then after 11:59 p.m., Teams will not accept that assignment anymore. You can also schedule to assign it in the future. So if you're sitting down to do some lesson planning and you're going to put a bunch of assignments in, you can pick when you want those assignments to post so that students aren't trying to finish their assignments ahead of time. I'm going to leave it as is. Once you've got it all set it up how you want, you're just going to click Assign, and then the students will see that that assignment is in Teams and they will complete it. From here on my side, when I click on the assignment, it will give me a list of all the students in the class, and then I can grade those as they are turned in. No one's turned them in yet, so I don't have any on there.